Are you a programmer who loves exploring the latest technology trends? If yes, then this video is perfect for you. Today we're going to take a deep dive into the new trending tech that's taking the programming world by storm. From AI-powered tools to virtual reality, we've got it all covered. So let's get started. Welcome everyone to the video where we'll be discussing the new trending tech that is a must-see for all the programmers out there. In this video, we're going to explore the state-of-the-art technology that is currently the talk of the town. So, let's begin with the first tech trend that's making waves in the programming world. Number 1. AI-powered tools. The first technology that we're going to talk about today is AI-powered tools. As you already know, AI is making a significant impact on how we work, and the programming industry is not an exception. AI-powered tools can do the work of a programmer in no time and with much more efficiency and accuracy. With tools like GitHub's Copilot, you can write code at lightning-fast speed with incredible accuracy. It uses machine learning to understand the context and requirements of your code and then suggests possible lines of code you can use. Amazing, right? AI is replacing humans in many industries, but it's not a threat to programmers. Instead, it's revolutionizing the industry by enabling programmers to accomplish their work at a much faster rate. The next one is quantum computing. Quantum computing is another technology that's gaining momentum in the programming world. With every passing year, more and more programmers are exploring this new field. Quantum computers can perform exponentially complex calculations that are currently beyond the capabilities of an ordinary computer. IBM, one of the pioneers in quantum computing, offers a quantum experience feature where you can experiment with a quantum system using a variety of tools and resources for free. Finally, we have augmented reality and virtual reality. Can you imagine seeing the code you wrote in virtual reality? It's now possible with AR and VR technology. AR allows programmers to overlay the code with real images and objects, creating a unique and interactive workspace. Moreover, VR technology allows programmers to collaborate and work on code in a virtual environment where they feel like they're in the same room. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel.